Hang on, baby. Hang on. Stay right here with your daddy. We're about 30 miles outside of Page, Arizona. That over there is the backside of the North Grand Canyon. It's Highway 89A down below. What an amazing, vast country we live in. This is Eric from Free Camperman. Hey guys, welcome back. Eric, Free Camperman. This is the Glen Dam at Lake Powell in Utah. I'm gonna run across. I'm on the main bridge now. Man, this place is awesome. It's kind of scary. I had to leave Pepe in the truck. I just didn't want to take any chances. It's really awesome. This is Eric. I understand the water now is so low that they're having a hard time producing energy. You know, it's an electric power plant. Hey guys, this is Eric, Free Camperman. Me and Pepe are out here at Lake Powell. What do you think, Pepe? It's very awesome. There's the Glen Dam we just came from. You could see how much water this piece of lake held at one time. We are in a real severe drought right now. It's just amazing out here, guys. I'm gonna walk around to the other side, give you guys another shot. It's a beautiful country. It almost doesn't look real. Massive, massive country. Those are cars way over there. That's the 89A leading into the north entrance of the Grand Canyon. Really awesome, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Say hi to everyone, Pepe. You made it to Utah. Pepe's first trip to Utah. Say hi, everyone. Pepe, say hi. They love you. He didn't want to say. Good morning, Angel. Good morning. Are you ready to explore? All the spots have little covers over them. Very cool. Has a little store. Has a really nice pool and jacuzzi area. And the bathroom and the shower. There's 2 bathrooms and 2 showers, and that's that whole unit right there. I mean, literally, the shower, it's the size of a 1-car garage. I am not kidding you. The shower is a 1-car garage room. It's just amazing. In fact, I'll take a little walk in there and show you guys. I paid $45 a night. That's because these outside sites here on the edge are right up against that road. And that's the 89. So yeah, we'll take a little walk around. Pepe loves this place. Really clean. Has a game room with like all the new stuff. Come on, son. Yeah, it's a very, look at this landscaping at a campground. I'm loving this. I have to pick up Pepe, hang on. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. Some big houseboats on that lake. The lake's beautiful. It's gotten really small from what you can tell. Get this thing off my son's leg. Come on, baby. Little play yard for the kids. Really clean. Like I said, I think it's brand new construction. I have to show you guys this bathroom. It's amazing. Pepe, where are you taking us? There's a pool area. There's the pool area. $45 a night, guys. And I usually don't stay in these places, but it's just too hot to sleep in the desert. That's why we're mostly doing car touring instead of hiking. It's just too rough on Pepe. And I love you guys, but not as much as this little guy. Okay, so maybe not a 1-car garage, but is that not the biggest shower you've ever seen at an RV park? That is really cool. The whole thing, I think it's all brand new construction. Really clean place, guys. This is Eric and Pepe from Free Camper Man. Inside the game room, it's got the air hockey, pool, some sort of set-down arcade game. And then there's a little store as well, which looked fully stocked. Fishing licenses, ice, firewood. So it's a really cool stop. And this is right on Highway 89. I'm about 5 miles outside of Lake Powell. There's a little store. So from here, we're just gonna kind of explore. See where the truck takes us. And this is the entrance to the place. I'm really impressed for $45 a night. This is Eric for Free Camper Man.